Introduction. In a busy place like New York, the way people think can make a huge difference. To really make it in a competitive setting, sales agents, realtors, insurance brokers, and mortgage agents need to shift how they think and act. Changes in mindset help in looking at challenges differently and sticking to goals in the face of difficulties. By being open-minded and determined, professionals can find new ways to succeed and even get ahead of the competition. Mindset might seem simple, but it is key for staying on top. It's about seeing opportunities where others only see roadblocks and finding new paths when old ones seem blocked. New York has its own unique hurdles, and those working there understand the need to be adaptable and open to new ideas. They know that sticking with outdated strategies just doesn't work. Adjusting how they think can be the secret to thriving in this dynamic market. Understanding the need for mindset. Shifts. A mindset shift involves modifying how you think to encourage personal and professional growth. This concept emphasizes the importance of being open to change and ready to innovate. When people embrace this mindset, they are more likely to see obstacles as opportunities to grow rather than things in their way. Having a growth mindset benefits everyone, especially in fast-paced environments. Unlike a fixed mindset that clings to the familiar, a growth mindset is open to learning and discovering new things. It pushes you to try new approaches and adapt to the times. Let's consider an example. A realtor named Chris used to rely heavily on traditional advertising methods. However, with real estate becoming more digital, Chris realized the need for a change. By shifting to a growth mindset, Chris embraced online platforms and digital marketing techniques. This not only expanded Chris's reach, but also opened doors to more clients. To experience the positive impact of a mindset shift, think about these key aspects. Openness to change. Welcome new ideas and viewpoints. Being flexible allows you to seize opportunities and handle uncertainties. Innovation. Constantly look for creative solutions. Push yourself to look for better ways to get things done and enjoy the process of discovering. Learning. Attitude. Think of learning as a lifelong journey. Stay eager to learn new skills and get smarter to keep up. These changes, although small, can really change how you handle challenges and boost your growth. By being more open and ready to change, you build a culture that doesn't just respond to changes but uses them to your advantage. Key mindset shifts for success. Adopting certain mindset shifts can set you on the path to success. One of the most important changes involves embracing continuous learning. Staying updated with industry trends and technologies is vital for professionals looking to remain competitive. Engaging in lifelong learning can be done in numerous ways, such as attending webinars, joining workshops, or seeking coaching. Each of these methods provides opportunities to gain new insights and skills that are essential for personal and professional growth. Another key area is building resilience and adaptability. Challenges are inevitable, but how you deal with them makes all the difference. It's important to view setbacks not as failures, but as learning opportunities. By maintaining a flexible approach, you can adjust to changes faster and more efficiently. Some tips to boost your adaptability include staying curious, being willing to try different methods, and learning from past experiences. Fostering a client-centric approach is another valuable shift. Understanding and prioritizing clients' needs can greatly impact your success. Make it a point to listen actively to clients, understand their unique requirements, and tailor your services accordingly. Some strategies for strengthening client relationships include regular communication, asking for feedback, and showing appreciation for their business. Lastly, enhancing self-motivation and discipline plays a significant role. Self-discipline is crucial for reaching long-term goals, and staying motivated can be the fuel that keeps you going. Here are some practical tips. Set clear and achievable daily goals to maintain focus. Break tasks into smaller, manageable parts to prevent feeling overwhelmed. Create a system of rewards to celebrate milestones, boosting motivation. Practical ways to implement mindset. Shifts. Turning mindset shifts into routine practice requires some practical steps that can help reinforce the changes. One effective way to begin is by setting achievable goals and milestones. Realistic and measurable goals provide a clear path and allow for tracking progress over time. Breaking tasks into smaller milestones not only makes goals more approachable, but also provides regular opportunities to celebrate successes. Another approach is to actively seek feedback and pursue coaching. Constructive feedback offers a way to identify strengths and areas for improvement, while professional coaching can guide personal development efforts. Coaching offers a structured environment for learning and reflection, making it an invaluable tool for those committed to growing and improving. Cultivating positive habits and routines supports the sustaining of mindset shifts. Successful people often have daily habits that contribute to their growth. Consider starting each day with a routine that sets a positive tone, such as scheduling a brief planning session or dedicating a few minutes to reading industry-related materials. These habits not only reinforce new mindsets, but also empower you to manage your day more effectively. Embrace mindset shifts to thrive in New York's market. In the ever-changing environment of New York's market, adapting mindset shifts can make all the difference. By making these changes, you position yourself to tackle challenges effectively and embrace opportunities with confidence. The practice of these mindsets needs consistency for positive, lasting results. Every step you take to adjust and improve contributes to your long-term success. With patience and commitment, you'll find that no challenge is too big to handle. By embracing these mindset shifts, you're better equipped to navigate the complexities of your professional landscape and thrive in this ever-dynamic region. To truly excel in New York's dynamic market, having the right support can make a big difference. Explore how Ask 8's expertise in sales marketing consultancy can guide you through adopting essential mindset shifts and strategies. Reach out today to gain insights tailored to help you and your business thrive. Why subscribe? Let's cut to the chase. This newsletter is designed to make your life easier, your marketing more effective, and your business more profitable. I'm not just giving you tips from a distance, I'm living it. As a realtor, marketing expert, and consultant, I feel your pain because I've been in your shoes, and now I'm here to help you win. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for Ask 8 Strategies, Ask Auggie Smarts, and let's turn those leads into clients, simplify your marketing, and give your business the boost it deserves. Plus, I promise I'll keep it fun. No boring corporate stuff, just real talk, real strategies, and maybe even a dad joke or two. Lastly, you will always see me sign off with the same statement, which is at the core of who I am. Subscribe. A man's worth is not measured in the numbers in his bank account, but in the number of people that call him a friend. Augustine, Ask Auggie, Diaz Marketing Campaign, plus Smart Automation, plus Coaching, Samtra, Success, Ask AI, Internet Marketing and Lead Generation Services, all the best to your success.